Hello everyone, welcome to learnqaz.com. Java class 2. In this video, I am going to discuss about loops. What is loop? If I want to execute a set of statements repeatedly, then I go with loops. So here I can declare how many times I want to run particular set of statements. Usually we can see two types of loops in Java. One is while loop and second one is for loop. Okay. First, let me create one new Java project, class 2. Under this class 2 project, I am going to create one new class file, while loop, with one main method. So what is this main method? Why we are creating class file with main method? And what is this public, static, void? Everything we will discuss in coming up videos. Okay. So hold me for some time. Right now, I am going with while loop. To create one loop, first you should initialize the loop. Here I am initializing in integer I equal to 0. What I am doing here, I am initializing my loop. Okay, this is called initialization. Then after that, you should put some condition while I less than or equal to 10. Okay, so this is called condition. I am putting condition. So what it will do? What it will do means, first it will check I value equal to 0, then come to the next line, then it will check, okay, what is the I value? 0. It's below 10, it's not equal to 10. Then what to do? You should tell to your loop, increment the value I equal to I plus 1. What I am saying here, just increment the value. Now the value is 0, right? So come to the third line, then it will, what it will do, 0 plus 1, 1. Now I value is 1. Again it will check what is the I value, below 10, then 1 plus 1, 2. Slowly it will increment up to satisfy the condition, means up to 10. So this is called condition. You are giving some condition, and in third line you are incrementing, right? So this is called incrementation. So I want to see my I value while increment, while looping, I want to see. So what I am going to do here, system out.println, I want to print in console the I value. So that's why I'm giving system out.println. Okay, already I told you in the last video, right? What is the shortcut to print system out.println? SYS O control spacebar. Okay, let me run this. Right click on loop, I mean class file, then run as Java application. See here, in the console, it's printed I value 0 to 10. So how it's incrementing? For better understanding, debug the script. Then you will come to know how the I value is incrementing. What is debugging? In real time, you are going to write a Selenium code, right? After writing the code, in the code we are declaring a lot of variables, we are inserting conditions, conditional statements, for loops, different things, right? So your code is working as expected or not. If you want to verify, instead of running complete code, you can debug it. Okay, line by line you can execute. So how to do that? I want to stop my script here in the starting of while loop. So double click over here, means you are putting one breakpoint. Once you clicked on this icon, debug icon, what will happen? The script will stop over there. Let's see. Click on that icon. See, you are seeing in green color, right? Green color line stopped over here, means your while loop stopped over here. Right now the I value is 0. Under variable, you are seeing I value is 0. So what you have to do now? Click F6 from your keyboard. See, one line is moving, right? I'm pressing F6. So right now the value is 0. Now it's incrementing 0 plus 1. Now I value is 1. Again F6. Now I value is 2, 3, 4. Slowly it will increment. Okay. If you want to run normally, you can press F8 from your keyboard. Otherwise, just click on this button, run while normally it will run. If you want to go back to Java mode, right side top you are seeing Java icon here, right? Just click on it. You are coming back. This is incrementation. Even you can decrement also. Okay, let's see how to do that. Just double click again to remove your breakpoint. Here I am writing integer a equal to 10. In first while loop incremented, right? Now I am writing decrementation. Let's see how to do that. Integer, I am initializing my while loop while I am giving condition while a greater than equal to 0. Then what to do? Decrement, right? So system out dot println. I want to print my a value in my console, so that's why I'm giving a over here. So this statement will be repeat 10 times. Okay, a equal to a minus 1. Let's run the script. Okay, observe here 0 to 10 first got printed, then 10 to 0. Let me put one line over here to differentiate. System out dot println. I want to print one line. Run this now. See here, first 0 to 10 and after that 10 to 0. So this is incrementation and this is decrementation. Okay, this is while loop. Next, for loop. Let me create one more class file here. How can I do that? Right click on source file, new class file. I am giving name as for loop. Again I am creating with main method because I want to run my class file here itself. Okay, same structure, but syntax is different. Okay, while loop and for loop motto is same, but syntax is different. So there are some drawbacks with while loop. If I am forgot to give this incrementation or decrementation, automatically it falls to it continuous loop. Okay, so that's why to overcome this drawbacks with while loop, we are going with for loop. Let's see what is the syntax for loop. For integer x equal to 0. What is this? I am initializing my variable, then putting condition x less than or equal to 10, condition, then incrementation x plus plus. X plus 1 or x plus plus, both are same. Here I want to print some statement, system out dot println. I want to print my x value. It's very simple in nature, right? Then run this for loop. See, in my console it's printed from 0 to 10. Very simple in nature, that too very user friendly. For loop, I want to print sum of first 100 numbers. Okay, let's see how to do that. Let me create one more class file. I'm giving name as sum of 100. Okay. So first, what is the first step? First, you should initialize, right? So integer sum equal to 0. I'm initializing some variable. Then I'm writing for loop. For int b equal to, or int n equal to 0, I'm initializing my loop. Then put condition n less than or equal to 100. Next, incrementation n plus plus. So see here, I want to get some value, right? So sum equal to sum plus what? N. Okay, I want to print the sum value at the end, right? So out of loop, I can write system out dot println. Here I can write sum of first 100 numbers is, let me put one concatenation operator, then sum value. Let's run this script. See here, sum of first 100 numbers is 5050. This is the output. If you want to see how it's going to be calculate this sum value, put breakpoint over here while starting the for loop, then debug the script. Okay, sum of 100, debug. Then you will come to know, I mean, you guys know how to do that, right? Just click on F6 from your keyboard. So your debug point stopped over here, breakpoint, then F6. See, right now the value is, some value is 0 and n value is 0. Okay, now n value 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Slowly it will increment 10 to 10 plus 5, 15. So this is the way it's going to calculate first 100 sum of 100 numbers. Okay, if you want to run it normally, just click on either F8 or click on run button. If you want to go back to Java, go to Java mode. 500 is the total. So while loop and for loop, incrementation and decrementation, and first you should initialize your loop and put incrementation. Now the question mark is, okay, what is the real-time usage where we gonna use these loops in Selenium code? That is the question mark, right? So let me explain. For example, go to spicejet.com. This is the website, SpiceJet. In SpiceJet, click on this calendar. I want to book one ticket on August 2017, 26th of August. Okay, so I have to click on this button, right? Next button, next. Now I am seeing August. Okay, in this case I go with while loop. What I will do here, right now it will show current date, right? So simply I can put one condition here, one while loop, while what I'm going to do, capture that value. Okay, capture value if not equal to August. If not equal to August, then what to do? Click on next. If is equal to August, then select date. So this is the way I can write my script. So once I I'm running my Selenium script. First what it will do, it will click on calendar icon, it will check the value. Oh, okay, this is April, it's not equal to August. then it will click on next button. Again May, no, again click till you get August. So till the condition satisfied, the while loop runs. Okay, once it's seeing August over here, the value, then immediately it will pick the 26th value from the calendar. So this is the use of while loop. Then what is for loop? So here we don't know the condition. I mean, till satisfaction, I will run the loop, while loop. But for loop, it's different. If you know the particular, length, for example, I am reading some values from Excel file. Okay, while reading Excel files, there will be some rows, right? Sometimes there will be 10 rows, and sometimes there will be 20 rows. We don't know that. Okay, so in that case, I go with for loop. By using for loop, first what I will do, I will get the row count. If it is row count is 10, okay, first I will get row count. Row count, if it is I mean it's 10 equal to 10, then for loop will run 10 times. Next time I am running my script, at that time in that Excel sheet the data will be 20 rows. Okay, then it will run for 20 times. So this is the uses of for loops and while loops. Okay, so what is the structure of loop? First you should initialize, then put condition, then after that increment. Very simple in nature, while loop and for loops. Okay, I hope you guys clear with loops. In next video we will discuss arrays. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, learn QA easy to get